the Jurassic Park 3 fight between the two. It's
Yeah.
famous. In real life encounter, who wins?
So probably still T-Rex. I mean, the Jurassic Park Spinosaurus was pretty good for its time, because some of the stuff that I've just talked about, particularly the short legs, were suggested way back in 1910, 1912, but it was really uncertain. Now it appears to be more likely the case than not. The tail was unknown at this point, so it was just given a very generic tail. But the crocodile-like head is pretty good. The neck's a bit short. The sail is a bit too... like, it's almost just like a semicircle stuck on the back, and it's a bit more complicated than that. But personally, I'm quite a big fan of the Jurassic Park 3 Spinosaurus. I think for its era, it's really quite good. It is massive. So there is this... they're from, I'm going to say Morocco, because Spinosaurus is found throughout North Africa, Morocco, Algeria, Egypt. There's a massive pair of jaws or snout that's in a collection in Milan that's absolutely outsized, just like an absolute giant. And that points to a truly monumentally sized Spinosaurus, which is where all these upper estimates of 15 plus meters come from. It's just this one set of jaws. But yeah, it's about right, but it's just a bit too muscly and a bit too bulky. But in gross appearance, it's pretty good.
Does it have a chance against the T-Rex?
No, because it's got this unbelievably long, thin jaw, which, whilst much stronger than something like baryonyx, is fundamentally not that strong. The jaws are very long and thin, and then the teeth are, they're big, but they're not big. The whole, like, it grabs the T-Rex neck and then, like, snaps it. Well, Spinosaurus, actually, its neck is really strong going up and down, and is very weak rotating or going side to side. So it's got the weakest kind of possible neck to, like, rotate and snap the T-Rex. And then T-Rex has got, like, the strongest neck of anything. So you've got, like, the weakest jaw with the weakest spin versus the strongest neck. So no, I don't buy it.